In data colonialism and the materiality of the digital, or what was once posed as solutions for problems, is now one of the biggest problems. We're looking more broadly at kind of global relations through the lens of data colonialism, a way of thinking about these kind of almost new mode of production that's happening in capitalism and the way that relates to historical relations of colonialism and the power relations of that means of, who benefits and that kind of thing. We'll be looking at the necropolitics of algorithmic AI and assemblages, essentially how, who gets to live and who gets to die in across the globe in terms of the way that these things are produced and maintained and the very kind of materialities that are part of this. And then in humans, in the machine, we talked to Duncan McDewey-Ra about how, human labor is still very much at the heart of how these kind of what apparently are often meant to be automated systems work.